So let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. I picked up the 44mm version in the silver color. So in the box you get the watch itself, and as you can see, the large beautiful screen, and on the back you get all the sensors, and on the sides you see the buttons, microphone, speakers, and connection for the bands. And also in the box are the bands, which I got in misty black, and they snap on easily. And then finally in the box, aside from the booklets, you get your charger. So the 44mm Galaxy Watch 9 runs Android Wear S on One UI Watch 9. It has 32 gigs of storage with 2 gigs of RAM. It has a 445 milliamp hour battery with 10 watt charging, and it also has a new Snapdragon Wear Elite chipset. So I think it looks great, and I can't wait to set it up and try it out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.